This is our Roomba 692 from Irobot. It was very easy to set up. There's an app on your phone and it helps you walk through the setup process. You can create a schedule for it to automatically clean, or you can start it with your voice or with the app on the phone. We've only had it for a week so far, but I've been impressed with how much dirt and dog hair that it picks up every single time it runs. It cleans the edges really nicely, way better than our regular vacuum does. And it can run for 90 minutes before it goes back into the dock. It has a more sporadic cleaning pattern than I was expecting, but it does clean very nicely. It can sense the dirtier areas in your home and it will focus on those. There are other models that have a more structured cleaning pattern, but I especially love how easily it goes underneath the furniture. You can see here that it's done and the battery indicator is flashing in red and needs to be charged up. It also sends a notification to your phone that it's completely done. And as you can see from the app, if the battery is low, it won't let you start it. I love using it for when I want to double task and work on other things around the house and have the vacuuming get done. It has a sensor that makes it not go down the stairs. It navigates itself around furniture, and when you're done, you just pull out the front part and you can see all the dirt and you can just empty that into the garbage can. I've been very happy with it so far and how easy it is to use. If I don't want it to go into a room, I can simply close the door. I also love that it works on the carpet as well as the linoleum floor, and it navigates the area rugs very easily. I'm so happy with how well it's been working and highly recommend it.